Let's get to our final trade of the day. Tim Bigham is standing by. Thanks for coming on the show, Tim.
Always great to be here. Thanks, Ange.
You are still a big fan of small caps. Why is that?
Yeah, absolutely. And small caps have been a huge outperformer to the S&P 500, the Dow, somewhat tariff-proof, the U.S. names here, the small caps. But I think that outperformance has gotten a little extreme here, certainly compared to historic standards. So I'm jumping on, I think the IWM and the small cap indices will probably be underperformers going forward, especially with seasonality. Normally July and August are two toughest months. So I look for a pullback in those names. Nothing major, but certainly more towards the normal kind of comparative.
Tim, what are your thoughts on the banks reporting in with the earnings? What do you see happening here?
I think given what happened really about a month ago with the Fed stress test, they were able to up their dividend, increase the stock buybacks. I think that will temper both the upside and downside here. I think the value players are really attracted here, which always dampens volatility. So if anything, I think selling premium in front of those earnings for this earnings cycle probably makes a lot of sense. So I don't expect fireworks. I think these are value names and probably somewhere to hang your hat in tough times going forward.
Dunkin' Donuts is on your trading list. What are you seeing?
Yeah, absolutely. It was last week they announced a new CEO, which has kind of been expected. More importantly, we saw a huge option volume in September. We have earnings coming at the end of July, but inflated implied volatility, meaning option prices got really rich. I'm jumping in, selling those September 75 calls where that big buyer has been at, and also hedging by selling SEP 67.5 puts, looking for Dunkin', which is smack dab in the middle of those two prices, to kind of remain range bound here, just looking to capture some decent IV.
Thank you, Tim.
You bet. Anytime, Ange.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.